I'm Al Kramer, farm Black Creek, Wisconsin.
Did you apply nitrogen with the planter before Bandits, and what were you doing?
Yes, we had the front fertilizer coulters that came on the planter.
Why did you choose to make a change to the Bandit?
Maintenance on our old setup was a lot of maintenance. We don't have that maintenance no more.
Yeah.
It's the main reason, maintenance. They just, the disc where the nitrogen get injected or put in through would hang up and drag and plug up and catch on no-till stuff. We do a lot of no-till. We had issues with it. We don't have that no more.
How is the nitrogen placement with the Bandit?
I think the nitrogen placement is a lot more accurate the way it's put on both sides. I think we're getting a better placement of it.
You're doing the Bandit. What else are you doing for nitrogen?
We're doing side dressing with cultivation and Y dropping.
Overall, how would you rate your experience with the Bandit?
Great. I mean, absolutely. Best I've found so far.